Today I'm going to be putting a new engine air filter in my 2016 Honda Fit. To get to the engine air filter, I'm just going to loosen up the 4 tabs that hold the cover in place. And once all 4 are loose and popped off, I'm going to pull up a little bit, then back. Once it clears, straight up. And I currently have a K&N reusable air filter in here that I'm going to go ahead and clean. But while I clean it, I like to put in a fresh air filter so that way it fully dries and I can put the cleaning solution, all that in there. For these to go in, I'm just going to go and make sure that the tab lines up on the right hand side, and then put the cover in just the way, pretty much opposite of the way I took it out, by putting the back piece in first, pushing it down, getting it back in the little housing, and then pressing it all the way, making sure that's fully seated. And once it's fully seated, then putting the tabs back in place, and they kind of slide in place and then clip in. And these can be a challenge. If they do pop off, you just have to make sure they're fully popped on the little hanger. And that about wraps up this video. Thanks so much for watching. If you did find this video helpful, make sure to hit the thumbs up button, as well as subscribe and turn on notifications for when I post new videos. Until next time, peace.